My name is Tony Salvador. I'm from Trade Justice Pilipinas and also from Third World Network. Allow me to just share with you my notes, just some sort of a backgrounder on this panel. The expansion of digital trade and e-commerce is having major implications on a fundamental government power, that is the power of taxation. Just the same, there are international initiatives, such as those at the OECD, the G20, and the UN, where governments cooperate to seek solutions to tax avoidance and profit shifting, which are estimated to cost developing countries over $5 billion annually, thus severely constraining their ability to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. And speaking of foregone revenues, it should be mentioned that tariffs on electronic transmission could augment significantly revenues essential for ensuring quality, accessible public services, and a well-functioning society. Given the expansion of technology-enabled trade coupled with the increasing role of intangible property, an increasingly digitalized economy will have further implications for taxation of cross-border transactions, basically buying and selling of goods and services, investing abroad, deferring tax liabilities, repatriating profits, dissolving corporation, and distributing remaining assets. Transnational companies engaged in online service work platform have their head offices often in industrial countries, but in fact operate globally through their subsidiaries, controlled foreign corporations, related entities, and all sorts of entities located in different tax jurisdictions. Their financing company, their intangible property holder, their service company, their factory, their regional headquarters, management consultancy subsidiary, etc. Given this scenario, individual governments are faced with the task of determining the most equitable way of taxing revenues and recognizing deductible expenses among related parties located in different tax jurisdictions. How will the different countries ensure that their tax laws, including their transfer pricing regulations, ensure equitable tax collection from non-resident corporations? What would be the potential implications of current proposals in the WTO and other trade agreements, such as that extending the moratorium on tariffs on e-transmissions, raising de minimis on non-taxable transactions, and prohibiting local presence requirements in countries in which they are providing digitalized services? It would seem to us that based on the above, it may be time to revisit the following intricately related concepts. One is the definition of service, related to the definition or the concept of permanent establishment in tax treaties, coupled with corporation engaged in trade and business in a territory, and the definition of effectively connected income.